right. So for today, we're going to be talking about mindful listening. Mindful listening, ladies and gentlemen, is not only just listening to what another person is saying or what is being said to you, but also actively engaging with what a person is saying. It's really working with it and actively listening, wanting to pay attention and understanding what the other person is saying. So today we're going to do a little activity of mindful listening. Go ahead and get out a piece of paper, a pencil. If you want to draw on paint on your Chromebook, like the actual app on your Chromebook, you can do that. Just go ahead and get something that you can draw with. We are going to take a picture of this later, so make sure that you have the ability to take a picture of that and you have something to draw with. Go ahead and pause the video at this time to make sure you have your drawing supplies, which are a piece of paper and a writing utensil such as a pen or pencil. All right. Now that you've pressed play again and you are ready to start drawing, let's get started. So, for your first direction, draw a large circle in the center of your page. This circle should be fairly large. It's going to be the largest circle that we draw in our entire drawing. All right. If I were to give you a measurement, it would be about the size of your palm, a large circle. Then, on top of the circle, facing north, so the northmost side of the circle, on top of that, you're going to draw a half circle. So go ahead, draw that half circle. So you have two shapes now, giant circle, then a little half circle, north, or 12 o'clock on your drawing. Then you are going to go ahead on I'm going to describe it as a clock and as a compass. So on the east and west sides of your circle, or the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock side of your circle, go ahead and draw 3 lines on either side. So it should be a total of 6 lines that are sticking out from your big circle. So draw those big lines going outside of your circle. Okay? These lines should be fairly short. They don't need to be really long, just fairly short lines. The lines should not be bigger than your big circle. All right, next step. For your next step, you can pause at any time if you need to. Draw a circle inside of the big circle. Around, on the inside, that's on the inside. On the inside of our large circle, around the edges, put half circles around. So there should be half circles on the inside of the big circle. All right? Once you have that done, from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, from north to south, put a straight line going down. It should be within the circle. So within the circle, 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, one straight line going down. So that's what you should have finished your drawing. You should have finished whatever it looks like. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Your drawing should look something like this. If you do not have a drawing that looks somewhat like this or like a ladybug, ladies and gentlemen, then you need to go straight back to the drawing board. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys to do your reflection, which is on the side. I hope you guys had a little bit of fun doing a little practice of mindful listening. Go ahead and reflect on, why was it important to follow every step? Did you have to go back and re-listen to my video? Were you able to follow all of the directions? Or did you get confused? Why did you get confused? All right, guys, go ahead and fill out that reflection. Nice job.